Guys, welcome to Belicia Queen Squad. Happy Sunday. And my daughter, this is her channel, but we doing a quick video this morning on Salisbury steak meatballs. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to the Belicia Queen Squad. Click notification on the button, and today we're gonna be cooking Salisbury steak meatballs.
Let's get this together.
And this is all the seasonings my mom used while I was eating breakfast.
This is the meatballs I already started.
These are the seasonings you can buy at Walmart.
Yes. So I'm flipping them over, and we got a little bit of ground meat left, and I'm flipping them over.
And when I'm going to do this, I'm going to take a big chunk, but not too much. Don't grab too much.
Okay, go ahead, put the bowl down.
And then I'm going to put the bowl down, and then I'm going to roll this into a big meatball.
Now I'll let her drop one. I'll let her drop one in the skillet. But she has to be gentle, because you have to be careful and have adult supervision.
Just like you do,
because you don't want the grease to pop. So I'm just letting her. I'll let her do it. You won't be able to see, because we're just gonna keep the camera still. Hopefully I'll look for a better camera, a camcorder we could use for her channel. Right now we're using the phone. I do it.
I want to step back, because I'm just gonna drop it.
No, I'm gonna do it. So go ahead, finish rolling.
Bye.
And then I gotta add the onions.
Add the more seasoning just a little bit.
Chop up onions.
Yes.
Now we washed our hands, guys.
Well, onions are not delicious, but you won't be able to taste them.
I'm gonna get helper too.
So onions are not really delicious, but the good thing about this recipe, you won't be able to taste the onions, right?
Yeah, you're supposed to taste it. It gives it flavor. Okay, so we're gonna one meatball kind of came apart, but that's okay, guys. Cause and I use breadcrumbs too. This is the Pioneer Woman recipe that I love. It's a big favorite at my house, and my mother. This is one of her favorite meals, and they're gonna come over for dinner. My mother and stepfather, and even though we still in phase 2 in New Orleans, so those the only 2 people that I really let by my house, and or my aunt and them, and that's about it. We don't go nowhere because of quarantine, talking about the virus. So we still in phase 2, and I'll explain that more to Belicia, because she just asked me what that is, because we go through phases during quarantine for the safety of people, to keep people safe. Certain areas in Louisiana, mostly Louisiana, is in phase 3, which is good, but we still in phase 2, and so still wear your mask and be safe. And I wish you guys could comment, because I would like to know what are your thoughts on traveling.
Yeah. And
this is the meatball she did. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit more.
And what pranks should we do? Because one day we're gonna have our auntie Mara come over, and we're gonna do a prank on a grandma called the argument prank. Right?
We'll see how it works out. But we're gonna be doing a Be Love video. Roll it up good.
This is a lot.
We're gonna be doing a Be Love video with my Aunt Myra and have seafood. But we're not gonna film too much that day. Me and Belicia are gonna have wait a minute. Me and Belicia are gonna have a mukbang the next day with just me and her, and let you guys know how the sauce is. She did a good job.
Yeah, but a lot of people say it tastes better the next day, so we're going to see what we think.
And what I'm doing is frying. I wish you guys could see, but I'm not going to move the phone, and I'm not going to touch the phone while I have food on my hands, because that's germs. So, she's doing a good job, guys.
Phase 3.
So we're going to...
Even if we was in phase 5,
no, I don't think they have phase 5. We'll talk about that later. But because I don't want to give you wrong information, and I haven't really been watching the news. But we go through phases. That's to keep, if phase 3 means that things is getting a little better, but we still in phase 2 because things not all the way better yet in New Orleans. That's all I could. That's where I could explain it for now.
Okay.
So certain we still in phase 2, which means that it's not getting better right now.
No.
Phase 3 means you moving on and things getting a little better, and restaurants could probably start accepting people inside to eat, and maybe movie theaters will start open back up. But
yeah.
Well,
movie theaters is back.
Well, we got a little
already,
bit left, guys.
But the only difference is that now you
just
have
keep it in there.
to watch movies outside. So they got this little big, giant movie screen, and you have to watch it outside, just like back in the day when you have to watch movies outside.
So we have a lot of meatballs, and so we have one more left.
One more to do.
So
And this is a really big
now
chunk.
don't drop it, please don't.
I want to.
Because meat is you don't want to waste your food. So this is just a quick Sunday morning video, guys. And look out for our next video whenever I get a chance to go back to the store. We're going to do a fresh homemade apple pie video. But we're going to use crust that you could buy from the store, but everything else going to be from scratch.
Yeah, and then we're also going to do another Kool-Aid pie video. And another and I'm going to also do a chapstick video.
Yes.
And I hope, I did do a morning with tea video when I was in school, but today I don't have school.
Right.
Because I just got 2 days off.
Yeah, everybody do,
yesterday and me. But
everybody has.
I did like a school morning routine video, and if y'all didn't watch that, you can go watch it now.
No, they can't watch it now unless they get off this one.
But you could go watch it now. I'll wait.
And I wish that I should have showed y'all the last meatball she did, but I didn't worry about it. It was real big. She did a good job. But we gonna log off in a few. But we just wanted to say hello, guys. But I wish y'all could comment, because this is a kids channel, of what y'all thoughts on traveling. Because Belicia is doing virtual learning, but for her birthday, I would like to. We was planning on going to Florida, where I could take her to the American Girl store and maybe Disney World, because this is a trip that I had been planned, but every time when I was planning, something always got in the way. But so I was like, because all the hard work we've been doing, learning at home and working at home, and she also did summer school, not because she needed it, but she wanted to, and she been working hard at home. So I told her, with all the hard work we both been doing, we deserve a vacation. And I plan on taking her somewhere for her birthday. I'm not really in the mood to do a party. Every year Belicia has a big party. So comment what are you guys thoughts on vacation, and do you think it's still safe, or what's y'all thoughts, what y'all doing for the holidays? And Belicia, what favorite, and since it's almost holiday time, why don't you tell them about your favorite holidays?
So my favorite holidays, I would say Christmas and Halloween. Because the thing is, about Christmas, I love Christmas because I get to get presents and with my family, and we also eat. And then I love Halloween because I get to have costumes. But you guys, comment down below what you think I should be for Halloween. Do you think I should be a witch, a skeleton, or a Maleficent, or a genie? What you guys think?
And yeah, what do you guys? I hope I wasn't talking too much, because this is your channel. So Yeah, Belicia loves Halloween. I think she should be Maleficent, but or a witch. I was a witch when I was coming up, so we still gonna we're gonna do a costume video, makeup video for Halloween.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
kind of want to be Maleficent, but I know the only thing is, if I be Maleficent, Mom is gonna have to take my hair out. Yeah,
So
yeah, because in Maleficent, I have to put this little hat on to fit on my head.
well, no, I'm not gonna have to take your hair out. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
So yeah, so Halloween falls on a big Saturday this year, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're just gonna make it fun, and I'll think of some ideas to do for her for Halloween. No trick or treating this year, but we're gonna probably just have pizza, just have pizza that day, and do some special treats. Maybe I'll let her do what she want. Like maybe we'll have a Halloween cupcake video where she could decorate the cupcakes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
for Halloween, I was going to do a makeup video.
Yeah, we're gonna do that too.
Yeah, because I'm going to have like face paint. I never used face paint.
Right.
But comment down below. So I do have eczema. So comment down below if you think if I'm able to put face paint on my eyebrows, my eyes, my nose, or my lips.
So guys, I'm gonna have to log off soon because I have to go back to my recipe to follow the next step. But we'll log off, and when we add, I'll let Belicia help me add these fresh cut onions and to the skillet, and because that's the next step after the meatballs is done. And with Pioneer Woman, she eat these over noodles, this over egg noodles, but I like to do it with mashed potatoes. And I like to use, you can show them, ranch dressing mix. It gives the potatoes a lot of flavor, and you really don't have to add nothing else but that and a little bit of margarine or
It's
butter.
just like what you add to salad.
Yes. That's what I like to use on my potatoes. And this is the meatball Belicia cooked. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's a really big, juicy one.
So next we're going to add the onions.
Yes.
And then we're going to log off, guys. We had trouble filming earlier. Sometimes we can't decide on if things not perfect. We do the video over and over again because we want to give you guys great content. And please subscribe to my daughter channel. She's going to be something great in the future.
Yes, and don't
Yes.
worry, guys. I'm going to come with videos, like a prank, slime videos. I still need to get shaving cream
here.
for
You can
that.
start adding the
Because I
onions.
got my,
Don't drop it. Just be gentle. I don't want you to get grease popped on you.
Okay.
So this is for one whole onion. So we're going to do this.
I do it good?
Yeah, so you're going to pop the onion. I say pop the onion. We're going to put the onions in here. One time this week over dinner, it was funny. And I told Belicia, I said, come on, let me fix your breakfast. And I forgot. I guess I was so tired. I said, come on, let me fix your breakfast when it was really dinner time. It was funny, though. So,
Yes.
yes. Tomorrow we gets up early. We got I'll let you put the last bit of onion. Virtual learning, and her class starts at 8:30.
I'm doing pretty good.
So we have a
I'm
little
just
bit
like
left.
a cook.
Yes.
A real one, though, like Tiana.
And
In
that's
the
it.
movie.
You can put this in the sink, please.
Okay.
Don't drop it.
I will.
So I'll let Belicia stir the onion. Go ahead. Be careful.
I'm doing real cooking.
Go ahead. Stir the onion. Okay.
I'm doing pretty good. We'll get all worked up in there. I'm stirring it. Mom, can you show them?
No, not right now. Our hands dirty, so we're not going to touch the phone. But we will next time push the phone back and show you guys.
Oh, there's a little meatball
That's
stuff
okay.
in
That's
there.
okay. We'll show you guys when we do the apple pie. We'll show you how we actually do the apple pie. Sorry we couldn't show you guys the whole recipe with the meatballs because this takes time and I'm trying to have dinner done at a certain time because we having company later. But in New Orleans we do Sunday dinner. We do Sunday dinner early in the morning so it could be ready. I don't. That's how we do it in New Orleans. We from New Orleans. Some people say I have that funny accent.
And I tapped it on the edge.
Yeah, so that's okay because we're gonna put the meatballs back in the skillet soon. And yes.
Yes, I did super good. And does it feel warm?
Yes, so you did good. So we sorry guys, we couldn't show you the whole recipe. And I have the phone prop up against a Pop-Tart box. But when we do the apple pie, we promise you guys we're going to show you how I cut up the apples and let Belicia season the apples with the cinnamon and stuff. My homemade apple pie recipe. And we'll have the phone push all the way back, but I didn't push it all the way back because I have the skillet on and it's kind of a mess right now, so I have it right here. And yeah, but we did show you guys how she rolled the meatballs. So she did an excellent job. And she did a good job. So we'll probably see you guys later. Or we'll probably see you guys next when we do the apple pie. Or maybe later on when everybody's gone, Belicia could show you guys her eating her dinner. Her Salisbury steak meatballs. When she eats again for dinner. I'll probably film her while she's eating it.
And we could for lunch too.
Yeah, and I'll show you guys the plate, the actual plate. It's a beautiful meal. So sorry, I'm doing all the talking, and I'm not trying to take over. So what else you have to say, Pumpkin?
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this cooking, and one day I can even show y'all do a little cooking video of trying to kind of cook by myself, but having my mom kind of help me just a little bit.
Yes. So we love you guys. And peace out. Look out for part 2 later. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.